It looks mysterious, almost unreal. Bright skin, vibrant colors, and a texture that seems designed by nature to stand out. But behind that beauty lies something even more powerful, a natural gift that science says can help you slow the signs of aging from the inside out. As we cross 40, our body's natural defenses begin to weaken. Skin starts to lose its firmness, energy levels dip, and tiny invisible battles happen inside our cells every single day. These battles are caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that speed up aging, damage tissues, and make us feel older than we are. Now here's where this exotic fruit becomes truly fascinating. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamins C, E, and powerful phytonutrients that help neutralize those harmful free radicals. Think of it as your body's natural cleanup crew, sweeping away the elements that wear you down. But that's not all. According to research published by the National Center for Biotechnology Information, NCBI, fruits high in antioxidants can enhance skin elasticity, promote collagen production, and protect your cells from oxidative stress. The result? Brighter skin, better mood, and a stronger immune response, all from something that grows quietly in tropical soil. And yet, very few people over 40 know about it. Most walk past it at the fruit stall, not realizing they're ignoring a gold mine of vitality wrapped in a colorful shell. This is not just another trendy superfood. It's nature's secret defense system in edible form. Stay with me, because in a moment, you'll learn how this same fruit can protect the most important muscle in your body, your heart. Your heart is the engine that never stops working. Every single day it beats over 100,000 times, pushing life through your veins, keeping every cell alive. But once you cross 40, that engine starts to face more wear and tear. Cholesterol builds up, blood vessels stiffen, energy feels harder to come by, and the risk of heart disease quietly increases. That's why what you feed your heart matters more than ever. And here's where this mysterious fruit steps in again. Nature's own way of helping you protect your most vital organ. Packed with magnesium, iron, and healthy fiber, it supports steady blood flow and helps maintain healthy blood pressure. These are small but powerful effects that, over time, can make a huge difference in your overall heart function. According to the American Heart Association, AHA, diets rich in fruits with antioxidants and fiber can significantly reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. This fruit does exactly that. It works behind the scenes, gently cleaning your system and preventing the buildup of harmful cholesterol that can clog your arteries. And unlike processed snacks or sugary energy drinks, it gives your body clean, natural energy. Its natural sugars are slowly absorbed, giving you a steady lift without the crash. Add to that its hydration power, mostly made of water, and you've got a fruit that not only nourishes, but also refreshes. So if you've been feeling tired more often, or your heart needs a little extra care, this might be the perfect natural solution. Keep watching, because what's coming next will show you how this same fruit also strengthens your gut, boosts your immunity, and supports your weight. 3 keys to staying strong after 40. They say all health begins in the gut, and that's especially true once you hit 40. Your metabolism slows, digestion becomes more delicate, and your immune system doesn't bounce back as quickly as it once did. This is where our mysterious fruit continues to shine, offering support in ways that go beyond what most people imagine. Inside this colorful fruit lies a perfect balance of fiber and prebiotics, the food your good gut bacteria love to eat. These friendly microbes play a crucial role in keeping your digestion smooth, your energy levels steady, and your immune system alert. The healthier your gut, the stronger your entire body feels. Research from the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health shows that diets high in prebiotic-rich fruits can improve nutrient absorption, reduce inflammation, and even support mental clarity. Yes, your gut and your brain are deeply connected, and this fruit helps keep both in harmony. But there's more. Because it's low in calories, yet rich in fiber and water, it helps you feel full without overeating. That means better control of your weight, something many people over 40 struggle with. Instead of reaching for processed snacks or sugary foods that cause energy spikes and crashes, this fruit gives you lasting satisfaction and a gentle lift. And here's another hidden benefit. Its natural antioxidants don't just protect your gut, they help your body fight off harmful bacteria and strengthen your immune defenses. It's like having an invisible shield that works quietly but powerfully in your favor. Stay with me, because the final reveal is coming. You'll soon find out the name of this beautiful fruit that's changing how people over 40 think about health and longevity. You've waited patiently, and now it's time to reveal the star of this story, the fruit that's been quietly offering its magic all along. The fruit with a fiery pink or yellow skin, soft speckled flesh, and a flavor that feels like summer in every bite. Yes, it's the dragon fruit. This tropical beauty isn't just another exotic treat. It's one of the most nutrient-dense, skin-loving, heart-supporting, gut-friendly fruits you can find. Beneath its bold look lies a treasure chest of antioxidants, vitamin C, magnesium, and natural fiber. The perfect blend for anyone determined to stay young at heart and strong in body after 40. According to research published by the National Institutes of Health, NIH 2023, fruits rich in polyphenols and vitamin C like this one can reduce oxidative stress, improve blood circulation, and even slow down visible signs of aging. That's not a myth or a marketing gimmick. It's the power of real food working in harmony with your body. Every bite you take does something good. It hydrates your skin, supports your digestion, boosts your energy, and strengthens your immune system, without any additives or artificial ingredients. Nature designed it to nourish, refresh, and restore balance from within. So next time you see this vibrant fruit at the market, don't just walk past it. Pick it up, bring it home, and make it part of your daily routine. Slice it fresh, toss it into your smoothie, or enjoy it chilled, however you like. Just make sure it's part of your plate. Because staying healthy after 40 isn't about complicated diets or expensive supplements. It's about simple, consistent choices that help you age gracefully and live fully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, science-backed health tips for people over 40. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.